Hello everyone, thanks for watching my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet a Demogorgon. Now this series is at the peak of popularity, and I'm honestly tired of crocheting these monsters in December, so I suggest you crochet them for yourself and for a gift. It is simple enough for crocheting. I spent about 3 hours to make it. So stop talking and let's start crocheting. First of all, you need yarn. I ordered it on Temu, a link is on a description. You need about half of a beige ball of yarn, a little bit red and black yarn, a crochet hook 2.5 millimeters. Also, you need a white thread for embroidery. Also, you're gonna need some fiber fill, scissors and needle for embroidery. We start crocheting from the arms. Make a magic ring and chain 1. Start 5 single crochets in the magic ring. Pull the tail and close the ring. Round 2, make an increase in the first stitch. Single crochet in the second stitch, then chain 3. Skip the first loop and make 2 single crochets. Then 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Crochet the same in the 3rd and 4th stitches. Make an increase in the 5th stitch. From round 3 to 4, make a single crochet in each stitch. Don't crochet in the fingers. Round 5, repeat 3 single crochets and 1 decrease 2 times. From round 6th to 13th, make a single crochet in each stitch. Stuff only half of the arms. Make extra 1 single crochet, fold in half. Make 4 single crochets through both sides. Chain 1, cut the yarn, and fasten off for the first arms. And leave a long tail for the second arm. Now we have to crochet legs, a body, and a head. Make 6 single crochets in a magic ring. In the second round, make an increase in the first and the second stitches. Make a single crochet in the 3rd stitch. Then chain 3, skip the first loop and make 2 single crochets in the chain. Make a single crochet in the 3rd stitch again. Crochet the same in the 4th and 5th stitches. Make an increase in the 6th stitch. From third to fourth round, make a single crochet in each stitch without any increases. Fifth round, repeat 4 single crochets and 1 decrease 2 times. From the 6th to the 13th round, make 10 single crochets, totally 8 rounds. Make an extra 1 single crochet, slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn and fasten off. Crochet the second leg the same, but make 6 extra single crochets instead 1 and don't cut the yarn. Chain 2. Join to the first leg. Make the first single crochet in the same stitch where you made the slip stitch. 10 single crochets in the first leg. Two single crochets in the chain. Ten single crochets in the second leg. And 2 single crochets in the chain again. From round 15 to 20, make 24 single crochets, totally 6 rounds. Stuff the legs and the body tightly. In the 21st round, repeat 4 single crochets and 1 decrease 4 times. In the 22nd round, make a single crochet in each stitch. Round 23, repeat 3 single crochets and 1 decrease 4 times. Crochet 16 single crochets in 24th and 25th rounds. In the 26th round, repeat 2 single crochets and 1 decrease 4 times. Make a single crochet in each stitch without any decreases in the next 2 rounds. Round 29 to 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times. Round 30, make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Then repeat 2 single crochets and 1 increase 5 times, and 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Round 31, repeat 3 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times. The 32nd round, make 2 single crochets and 1 increase. Then repeat 4 single crochets and 1 increase 5 times. And make 2 single crochets in the end of the round. Round 33, repeat 5 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times. Now we can stuff our toy. Do it well, especially while stuffing the neck area, so the toy can keep a heavy head. From round 34 to 41, make 42 single crochets. Totally 8 rounds. The 42nd round, repeat 5 single crochets and 1 decrease 6 times. Round 43, make 2 single crochets and 1 decrease. Then repeat 4 single crochets and 1 decrease 5 times. And make 2 single crochets in the end of the round. The 44th round, repeat 3 single crochets and 1 decrease 6 times. Round 45, make 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Then repeat 2 single crochets and 1 decrease 5 times. And make 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Repeat 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times in the 46th round. Now you need to stuff the head. And make 6 decreases in the last round. Crochet a slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn, and fasten off. Now you have to close the head hole. Just watch my movements. Now we have to crochet a Demogorgon's mouth. Take the black yarn and make 6 single crochets in a magic ring. In the second round, crochet 6 increases. Third round, repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times. Don't finish the last increase, change the yarn to red and continue crocheting front loop only. Make 1 single crochet, then repeat 2 single crochets and 1 increase, and make 1 single crochet in the last loop. Make a slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn, and fasten off. Connect a new yarn to the same round, but back loop only. Chain 1 and make a single crochet in the same loop. One increase and repeat 2 single crochets and 1 increase 5 times, and 1 single crochet in the last loop. Make a slip stitch in the first stitch and chain 2. Make 4 half double crochets. The first one is in the same stitch where we made a slip stitch. Chain 2, turn. Make 2 half crochets in the first stitch. 1 double crochet in the second and third stitch, and 2 half crochets in the fourth stitch. Chain 2 and turn. Make 2 half double crochets, 2 double crochets, and 2 half double crochets again. Chain 2 and turn. Make 2 half double crochets, 1 double crochet increase, and 2 half double crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Make single and crochet 3 together. Then 1 double crochet. And single crochet 3 together again. Chain 1 and turn. Make single and crochet 3 together. Chain 1, cut the yarn and fasten off. Skip 1 stitch and join the yarn to the circle. Crochet from right to left. Chain 2 and make the same 4 pieces. Take the white yarn and decorate this piece however you like. Now we need to crochet the back side for this piece. Make 6 single crochets in a magic ring. 6 increases in the second round. Round 3, repeat 1 single crochet and 2 increase 6 times. Round 4 to 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Then repeat 2 single crochets and 1 increase 5 times and 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Make a slip stitch in the next loop. Chain 2. And crochet the same pieces like we crocheted with the red yarn. So we finished the second part of the mouth. Now we have to connect 2 parts together. Just crochet single crochets around the perimeter of the piece. When you reach the top of the petal, see what to do next. Just insert a hook in each hole. Make a single crochet in the highest stitch. Then chain 2, skip the first loop and make a single crochet in the second loop. And make 1 single crochet in the highest stitch again. Continue crocheting till the end. Crochet a slip stitch in the end. And make a loop imitation. Just watch my movements. Fasten off the yarn and hide it. Now sew the arms and the mouth to the body. That's it, your Demogorgon is finished. Tag me on Instagram and TikTok, I'd love to see your toys. Also, let me know in the comments which characters you'd like to see tutorials for on my channel. Thank you for crocheting with me, and I'll see you in the next video.